Well bakers, well bakers, well bakers, well bakers, well bakers. Well bakers, I'm going to bring you my most popular series, Bold Baking Basics. I'm going to show you 5 basics in 5 minutes. I had to come into my kitchen and show you how this year you can skip the expensive birthday cakes and make your own tender, beautiful cake at home for less than $5. Well bakers, I've been making YouTube videos for 11 years. And over the years, there might be some videos that I made that you've never even seen that were a big hit for us, just like this chocolate chip cookie layer cake. Well bakers, as part of my Bold Baking Basics series where I show you how to make homemade ingredients from scratch, this week I'm going to show you how to make creme fraiche chocolate hot cross buns, salted caramel sauce, cinnamon roll pancakes, traditional Irish shortbread, pumpernickel bread, s'mores chocolate chip cookie, best chocolate pie you've ever had. So Bold Bakers, I wanted to pop up and tell you I've loads of recipes to share with you and I'm excited about this year and I hope you are too.